Starting a new business is one of the most exciting and thrilling experience in life, where you have nothing to negotiate your freedom. You are free to do a lot of things, a lot of decisions to be made by you without any limitation. But wait a minute, before you dive into that business of yours, business of your dream, there are 5 practical tips that you need today, and I'm going to be sharing them in this video if you stay with me after this break. My name is I Gson Ebuka. I'll see you shortly after this break. There are 5 important things that you have to put in place before you start your business, or else you smell doom. A lot of people don't even know that it's very easy to start a business, but more difficult to sustain a business over a long period of time. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you those 5 things that you're going to be doing. I'll put them in place before you start your business today. So let's dive into it now. Number 1, carry out visibility studies. Carry out visibility studies. No man begins a project, no matter the project, without first of all carrying out visibility studies, asking critical questions pertaining the cost and the whole situation surrounding that beauty project. In the same vein, for your business, you need to carry out visibility studies in the area where you want to go into, in the industry you want to go into, even the people, the customer, the kind of people that patronizes those products and services you're planning or you're thinking of bringing into the business. You need to go around that market space, ask a lot of critical questions concerning the pricing, the acceptance, the nature of previous products similar to what you're trying to do, and also understand the ideology of your customers, the people in the marketplace, and how they can patronize your goods and your services. So the first thing you need to do before you start your business is to carry out visibility study. It's very critical. It's very critical. Carry out visibility study before you step into opening a business in an area, in a place, or in an industry. The second thing that you need to consider before you start a business is to have a thorough business plan. A thorough business plan. Now, let's talk about business plan. What is business plan? A business plan is a set of preconceived agreements, detailed action that you need to take in order to achieve a particular goal at a specific time. Let me say that again. A business plan is a set of preconceived agreements or detailed action that one can take in order to achieve their goal at a particular time. Before you start a business today, you must have a preconceived agreement and also detailed action. Probably you have to write it down one step at a time. Before you start your business, you must have a business plan that will help you navigate your way in the murky waters of business ecosystem in any part of the world. And most especially, this business plan will help you to concentrate on the area of your strength and also minimize the energy on the areas of your weakness. And absolutely is a detailed document detailing every little information that will help you to progress in your business, and as much as possible keep you accountable while you're on that business. So get your business plan today. Probably along the way in this video, or while you stick on this channel, I'm going to take another video detailing how you can write your business plan that will help you set up your business the right way. Now, before I go into number 3, I would like to use the opportunity to tell you to subscribe to this channel regardless of what. By so doing, you're helping us to reach out to more people and more people and more people. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video to every one of your friends, even your enemies, that will definitely learn something from this video. My name is I Gson Ebuka, and I'll come back with number 3 tips. Now, welcome back. We are discussing how to start your business the right way. And we've discussed number 1, carrying out feasibility study, and number 2, writing a good business plan. Now, number 3 is study your competition. Study your competition. Again, whatever business you're going to start today, whether as a startup or even as a partner, there is competition waiting for you there. Now, let me tell you the truth. The hard truth is that there is no ranger in business. That means that someone come up to that and say that he has started a business and nobody is his competition. That's apparent lie, because there is no ranger in any form of business in any industry. The truth is that every business is competing with themselves in one way or the other, directly or indirectly. Your first responsibility while you're about to start a business is to first of all take your time to study the competition in that industry, finding out who are the movers and the shakers of that industry. That will help you clearly see their weaknesses and their strength, and that helps you to position your product or your services in a way that you can have a fair share, or in a way that you can have a fair share of that industry at that time. So before you start a business today, you must definitely take your time to study your competition. Number 4, register your business. Register your business. That's, I cannot go on and emphasize or even overemphasize the importance of registering your business. There are numerous benefits for you to register your business in your country of residence. You have to find the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, in your country of residence and register your business. The truth is that if you don't register your business, you're going to lose out a lot from benefits such as bank loans, government contracts, even bigger, higher partnership with big organization. Anybody that want to do business with you will definitely first of all ask you, have you registered your business? So this is the first thing you need to do, or this is one of the first things you need to do while you're trying to set up your business anywhere in the world. Find the CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. I don't know what they're called in another part of the world, but I know here in Nigeria they are called CAC, and the registrations are very easy. So you need to find such people and legalize your business so that you can have numerous assets, whether you are a sole proprietor or partnership or limited liability. No matter the idea that you have, register your business. Legalize your business with the government today. Now, the 5th and not the least is start with what you have. Start with what you have. Now, a lot of people think that while you're starting your business, or while thinking of starting your business, you should have everything figured out. No. You have everything that you need to be there. No. The truth still remains that you don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to have all the money, all the connection, all the assets, all the equipment for you to start. Start with what you have. It could be that last savings in your bank account. It could be an office space, or even a space in your apartment. It could be that old furniture. It could be anything, that skill set that you have. Start with what you have. With time, you can scale up your business, improve on what you have already, thereby getting more customers and solving more problems in your community or even your market. But for you to start, you need to start with what you have. Don't wait until everything is okay before you start. I've taken my time to share 5 tips on how you can start your business today. Remember, we talked about carrying out feasibility study, writing a business plan. We talked about studying your competition, and again we talked about registering your business, and finally, last but not the least, we talked about start with what you have. Now I have 2 extra bonus for you for staying through to this very end, and they are important things that you need to know. But before I get there, don't forget that my name is I Gson Ebuka. Kindly subscribe to this channel today so that whenever I drop new videos every Wednesday and Friday, you would definitely be among the first to get to watch the video. And the last 2 bonuses that I have for you for staying to this very end is, number 1, do not borrow money to start a business. Do not borrow money to start a business. No matter the amount of the loan that you might want to access, please do not borrow money to start a business. Reason being that you don't know the terrain of this business, whether it can make you money or whether it can scale up or whether it can succeed. Now, taking money or borrowing money from a bank or anywhere to start a business will definitely put you on the edge. Put you practically on the edge, trying to do everything possible to meet up. The truth still remains that borrowing money to do a business would definitely do you no good. From experience, I would suggest that you start with what you have. Like I explained in the last point, start with what you have, the money you have. Instead of you paying for every stuff that comes along the way when you're starting your business, there are certain things that you can do on your own. So look inward and figure out what are your skill set and leverage on all the little things that you have in your business, at least for the foundational aspect of the business, start with what you have. Number 2 bonus is collaborate with people. Collaborate with people. Now, you will definitely know that no man is an island. You need people to collaborate with, and apparently you have to look for people who have your weakness as their strength. Let me say that again. People that have your weakness as their strength, and collaborate with them, so that definitely they will help you to solve certain needs. And while you're collaborating with them, please give them some stake in your business, not just about the money. Give them some percentage in your business so that they can own a pile of that business. By so doing, they are now seeing themselves in the future possibility of that business. They are stakeholders. They see themselves as a part owners of the business. When you collaborate with people that have your weakness as their strength, it will help you solve a lot of problems and apparently save you a lot of money. Now, I've taken my time to share 5 tips on how to start a business and 2 extra bonuses. Now, if you have questions or have any other ideas that are popping up in your mind, you can as well drop me comments on the comment section so that we can continue the conversation there. Don't forget, my name is still I Gson Ebuka. I am always here every Wednesday and Friday dropping you videos on how you can make business out of your idea. Till I come back again next time, still stay motivated. My name is I Gson Ebuka. Peace.